They say show us heaven, then we'll believe. Split the sky and we'll fall to our knees. Crowds gather close just to watch you move, counting miracles before truth. You looked straight through the noise that day, said faith don't work that way. You said belief don't wait on sight, you don't need proof to know what's right. You said it plain, you said it clear, we won't believe till signs appear. No signs, faith don't need a show. No signs, I don't need to know. You said the road was narrow, few would stand. Not every voice that speaks is sent by him. They wear your name like fire on their tongue, but leave no fruit when all the noise is done. I've seen the wonders pull the weak aside, hearts chasing power, calling it divine. But I've been taught the truth don't beg or bend, it stays the same when signs don't show again. You said deception looks divine when hearts won't prove more than a spine. No signs, faith don't need a show. Comes around, if the sky stay like this still, I will do your will. If the light are led astray by the light that fades away, let me know you by your word, not the wonders I have heard. Faith don't need a show. No signs.
This dance is called No Signs, choreographed by Ria Vos. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, high intermediate level line dance. One tag occurs twice and one restart in this dance. Section 1. Starting with right foot, rock forward, recover, full turn to your right, half turn right forward, half turn right back, facing 12, right foot, rock back, recover, step, right foot forward, make a spiral 3/4 turn to your left side. Now you're facing 3 o'clock, right foot, jazz box, cross, back, side, cross. Section 2, right foot, basic, long step, side, behind, cross, slightly forward, left foot, side, touch, slightly forward, right foot, side, touch, left foot long step, side, behind, side. 1/8 left to 130, step right foot forward, slowly make a half turn left and lift your left leg facing 730, left foot forward, full turn to your left, half turn left back, half turn left forward. Section 3, right foot, step, lock, step, left foot, mambo step, point right foot back, body roll, step down, ball back, hook your left. Left foot forward, 1/8 left, side together. Now you're facing 6 o'clock. Last section, right foot, cross, side, touch behind, unwind, full turn to your right, weight on your right, left foot, side together. Left foot cross, sweep your right, jazz box, quarter turn to your right. Cross, quarter turn right, back, side, forward. Now you're facing 9 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. In the stance, there's an 8 count tag, occurs twice. After wall 1 facing 9, after wall 3 facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you the tag facing 12 o'clock. Starting with the right foot, rock forward, recover together, left foot, rock forward, recover together, right foot, rock forward, recover, coaster step, pivot half turn to your left, hit your right foot, make another half turn to your left. Now you're back to 12 o'clock. With count for the tag. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, and 6 and 7, 8 and. Non-turning option on the last 2 counts for the tag. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, and 6 and. Change the step to rock forward, recover, hook your right. 7, 8. In the stance, there's a restart on wall 2. You will dance 16 counts with step change, then restart the dance facing 3 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 2 with count starts facing 9 o'clock. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7. Now change the step to small jump on your left and sweep your right. 8. Now you're facing 3, restart the dance. 1. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.